It's harvest time for us in Cass County, Michigan. What we are going to do is we're going to come in and combine our corn. We grow non-GMO corn to feed our chickens, pigs, and turkeys. So we're going to run a combine through here and harvest it. Right now though, we are working on getting everything ready to process the corn and store it. They're making sure the dryer works, all the augers work. Last year we had to use a portable auger. This year we got a new motor for our auger. What we were finding was the corn, we drop the corn into this pit here. Then the corn goes up into this auger. This auger feeds it to the first bin. The first bin feeds it to the dryer. The dryer is where we heat the corn up to about 200 degrees. Then it goes into the yellow auger, into this bin here, which stores around 40,000 bushel of corn. We dry the corn because it will spoil or rot if you store it wet. So you want to dry the corn so it stores for a longer period of time. This motor here, we were able to replace it this year. It was over 50 years old, so we couldn't get any parts for it anymore. It was built in the 70s, and so we had to get a new motor. So now we're up and running, hopefully today, and we're excited to get some corn in the bins.
Put your hand out there, man. We're picking corn. This is the combine, the machine that's used to pick the corn. Goes 8 rows at a time, about 5 miles an hour, back and forth. These combines hold 400 bushels. So he's picking right now. I am running the dryer. See, we're filling the semi. We just got the truck sitting here, bringing the cart right up since we're so close. I'm running the dryer, making sure everything gets good and the final product is good. See, the corn goes in. And out the back is the corn stalk and the corn cob. So we're unloading corn right now. It's coming right out of the field. So we're dumping into our dump pit, which comes into that transport auger, all the way up here into this wet bin. We're picking, it's wet. We're gonna dry it about half of what it is right now. You can hear it filling in the dryer. Got the grain cart up here full. We actually just broke down. We had broken a U-joint. So we went to one of our fellow neighbor farmers and stole his off his auger. He was gracious enough to let us borrow it. So the cart is full. So this cart runs out in the field next to the combine, so the combine doesn't have to stop to unload. Keep unloading. Get this bin full tonight. Dryer will take about 24 hours to dry all this with how wet this is.